Have you ever been in a situation where you've just thought, I wish someone would invent a solution for this? We all have. While there are still a lot of things that need solutions in this world, some inventors have really taken it upon themselves to fix problems that we didn't even know were taking over our lives. Here are 12 amazing inventions and life hacks you need in your life. Number 12. Samsung AIRDRESSER. There's nothing more annoying than ironing and dry cleaning your clothes every single day. But with the new Samsung AIRDRESSER, you don't really need to worry about that anymore. This is because the Samsung AIRDRESSER will just do everything for you. All you need to do is hang your clothes on the air hangers inside, and the AIRDRESSER will steam and sanitize your clothes. On top of that, this AIRDRESSER even deodorizes your clothes. This way, even your laundry will smell nice. After washing your clothes, this AIRDRESSER can even serve as a dryer by using its heat pump feature, which makes sure to dry the clothes at a low temperature. This way, you don't need to worry about your clothes shrinking anytime soon. Number 11. Blow. A lot of us like to work out, but no one likes to get sweaty. And that's exactly the problem Blow is here to fix. Blow is a portable cooling device, so you can always keep cool after an intensive workout. This gadget is especially useful now with climate change literally taking over the world. The summer heat is just getting hotter and hotter every year. The device actually has peppermint oil inside, which creates a cooling effect. On top of that Blow, it doubles as an essential oil diffuser, and you can still use any other essential oil instead of peppermint, and it'll still have the same effect. After you've added the essential oil of your choice, all you need to do is clip the device on your shirt or pants and get ready for your workout. Number 10. PLUB. Nowadays, there's barely any phone left with actual headphone jacks, which is why everyone's been moving to wireless headphones instead. But if you still want to make use of your favorite wired headphones, then you should try PLUB out. This device can literally make any wired headphones into wireless headphones. All you have to do is plug your wired headphones into the device, and it'll connect to your phone through Bluetooth. This way, you can listen to all your favorite songs without needing to buy a separate pair of wireless headphones that'll probably cost double PLUB. On top of that, it also has a 5-hour battery, so you don't need to worry about it running out anytime soon. Number 9. TERRA. If you live in a concrete jungle but still want to get in touch with the relaxing sounds of nature, then you should get the TERRA Smart Sensor. This smart sensor gives you the ability to listen to nature without even stepping outside of your room. TERRA can even filter out any human-made sounds like a bike or chattering, so you can fully become one with nature. TERRA has another component that comes in the shape of a saucer, which you can plug anywhere in your own garden or backyard. After that, TERRA will track all the birds in your area and send all the data to scientists who can use this to research wildlife and their migrations. So by buying this device, you're actually helping the environment. Number 8. PAWPORT. Sick of random strays coming through your pet door? Try PAWPORT out. This is a controlled pet door that doesn't allow anyone but your pets in. PAWPORT is opened and locked by a smartphone app, but your pets can also control it through a Bluetooth chip in their collar. Other than that, PAWPORT also tracks how often your pet goes outside and at what time. This way, you can keep a track of all their activities. PAWPORT also has an airtight seal that prevents any insects from coming through, which can be a huge problem with regular pet doors. On top of that, PAWPORTs come in all sorts of different designs, so you don't have to worry about it looking out of place in your home's aesthetic. It also has 3 different sizes depending on how big your pet is. Number 7. EPFL drone. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's actually a mix of both. This EPFL drone is shaped exactly like a bird, a northern goshawk to be specific. That's because these birds are one of the fastest ever, which is why engineers from the EPFL laboratory decided to make a drone just like it. Since the drone has the same structure as the northern goshawk, it flies just like it and even at faster speed. It can even change the shape of its wings and tails to fly faster because of the artificial feathers it has. The engineers intended to integrate AI into the drone so that the drone can fly on its own. Number 6. Dragon drone. The Dragon drone was built by a team of researchers from the University of Tokyo's JSK lab. This drone can literally change its shape and turn into different shapes like a line or a square. On top of that, it can automatically decide which shape it needs to turn into in order to pass through the area it's navigating. This way, you don't need to worry about your drone crashing into anything. The drone doesn't actually turn into a literal dragon though. Instead, The name is actually an acronym for Dual Rotor Embedded Multi-Link Robot, with the ability of multi-degree of freedom aerial transformation. JSK says that this flying drone could later even become a flying arm and pick things up or throw things. Number 5. Swim Spa. Have you ever wanted a private pool, a hot tub, and a massager, but didn't have the crazy space they require? The Swim Spa puts all of that in a compact solution. The Swim Spa is basically an alternative for a swimming pool, while at the same time being the size of a regular hot tub. How? Well, the Swim Spa is kinda like a treadmill, but for swimming instead. It's designed to allow you to swim in one spot continuously. The Swim Spa can also act as a massager. All you need to do is sit in front of the hydrotherapy jets and relax. You can even adjust the settings of the hydrotherapy jets according to how you want. Once you're done with all that, you can turn on the hot tub feature to wind down your day and get some good sleep afterward. Number 4. ELECSUIT. Want to spice up your workout? Try the ELECSUIT. This suit combines the VR gaming with working out, keeping it fun at the same time. The suit uses electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, which is basically strength training by using EMS electrodes. The electrode pads can send signals to the muscle which simulates them. On top of that, just 20 minutes of electrical pulses working on your muscles is equal to 1 hour of regular working out. The suit isn't too heavy, so you don't have to worry about being uncomfortable during the workout. Plus, it's made out of conductive silicone, so it's pretty flexible and thin. Number 3. Mars. If you want to impress all your friends, then get this super cool levitating speaker. The speaker kinda looks like a flying UFO, which levitates it by magnetic force. Not only that, but the speaker is actually IPX8 waterproof, so you can even dunk it in water for over 30 minutes. The speaker itself sounds very crisp, with the bass not being too much or too low. On top of all of this, the speaker has an 8-hour battery, so you don't need to worry about it running out. If you have an iOS device, then you can even control the settings of the speaker through an app on your iPhone. You can even remove the tweeter and use it separately. And since the tweeter is a lot lighter and more portable than the rest of the speaker, you can literally take it anywhere and listen to music on the go. Number 2. ICR. Around 40% of bike accidents involve a serious brain injury, so it's safe to say that bikes are pretty dangerous. And while cars these days are getting extra safety features, bikes don't. That's why you should consider getting the ICR helmet. This helmet has integrated custom safety features that basically alert the rider about incoming danger. The helmet also has dual rear view cameras, which provide a 240-degree view. It also has a GPS tracker, so you'll never lose track of where your helmet is. On top of that, the helmet also has internal speakers, which is how the system alerts you. Other than the added safety features, the helmet itself is made out of carbon fiber and Kevlar, so it's pretty durable too. Number 1. PAWPORT. If you're always on the go and don't really have much time to rest, then you need the PAWPORT. This can literally become your own cozy bed anywhere. Once you're done taking your nap, just fold it up and throw it in your bag. What's more is that this pod is actually water repellent. Plus, you can even get a separate table mount add-on, so it literally becomes your own little movie theater. Alright, comment down below which of these inventions you want to get your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.